Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about the free courses offered by the Open University. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So this Open University is a university in UK and they are offering a lot of free courses. Nearly more than 1,000 free courses are offered by the Open University for free through this OpenLearn platform. You can see that here. It is a platform created by the Open University for free learning purpose. So this is the homepage of their website, and if you simply click on free courses, you can see all the courses that are offered by the Open University through OpenLearn. So here it is. So these are the subjects that you can learn in this website: health, sports and psychology, education and development, history and the arts, language courses are also available, money and business, nature and environment, science, maths and technology, society, politics and law. So these are the 8 different subjects that you can learn through this OpenLearn platform. So if you want to further see what are the courses available under each of these categories, simply click on the name here. So let me click on education and development. So if you click on the title, you will see all the courses under that particular category. So these are the courses available under education and development. You can see all the course title here, and the duration of courses is also given, and the level of the course is also given in the details here. So these are the courses under one particular category, that is education and development. See that this is a very big list, and this is all the courses that are available only for education and development. And if you further want to see what are the courses available for languages, you can simply click on languages and you will see all the courses that are available for languages. So there are more than 1,000 courses in total across all these different subjects that are available in the OpenLearn platform, which is provided by the Open University. So now let's see how to enroll in these courses. So the first step is to create an account in this platform. So you can see here, create account or sign in. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will be landing on this page here. Sign in to the OU website, that is Open University website. If you already have an account, you can simply give your username and the password and log into your account. And if you are coming here for the first time, simply click on create account. And the next step, you will be landing on this page in which you have to give your details like the title, name, date of birth, email address, and you have to give your phone number if you wish, and you have to set a password. And once you have given all the details, you can check this box. And if you wish to receive any emails about the learning courses, you can simply answer this question: would you like to hear from us? Simply click yes if you want to receive any email about the courses from the Open University, or else simply select no and click on submit. Once you give all the details and click on the submit button, you will be landing on this page here. Thank you for creating an Open University account. And the next step, what you have to do is simply click on the button given here, sign in to return to the page you were on. Once you click on the button, you will be landing on this page back again, sign into the OU website. So now you can give your username, that is your email ID, and then you can give your password and click on sign in so that you'll be logged into your account. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. Once you log into your account, you can see your name at the right top here. Now select the category in which you want to learn. So let me click on money and business here. So now I can see all the courses under money and business. So let me choose a course here. Let me choose the business of football. Just click on the course name in which you want to enroll in. So once you select the course, you'll be landing on the course page. You can see the course that I selected. It's a free course, the business of football, and you will get a free statement of participation on completion of the course. And on the right side, you can see the details like the duration and the level of this course. And if you scroll down, you can see the course description, and you can simply click on course content and see what are the things that you will be learning in each week of this course. And if you click on the course reviews, you can see the reviews by the people who have taken the course. So now let's see how to enroll in. So choose the course description, and if you scroll down here, you will see here enter course button. So make sure that you are in the course description. Scroll down and you will see the enter course button. Simply click on it. So now you can simply click on the enroll now button here. So once you click on the enroll now button, you can start seeing your course progress. So if you click on next, you can go to other contents in the course and start completing it. So once you start completing the course content, you can see that the course progress is moving to the 100%. And once you complete the course content, you can download your free statement of participation certificate from the OpenLearn, that is Open University. It is given under course rewards. So you can see here free statement of participation on completion of the courses. So once you complete the course, you can receive your statement of participation certificate, and this will take up to 24 hours. So let me show that to you. So we'll go back to the free courses page. So now in the free courses page on the left side, you can see few things like advantages of enrolling on a free course in OpenLearn. You can click on this and see the benefits of taking a course in OpenLearn. And if you click on why study a free course on OpenLearn, you will see that you can gain few benefits, and they have given it what are the advantages of taking the course. And you can see here that you will gain a free statement of participation. So this is how your certificate will look like. There is a free statement of participation certificate. So once you complete the course, you can download your certificate and share it on your LinkedIn profile or any other resume or any other thing that you like. So you can share it on whichever platform that you like. And there are some courses for which you can get batches. You can see that batched courses. Simply click on it and you will see all the courses for which you can get a batch once you complete that course. So you have 66 courses in this OpenLearn platform for which you can receive a batch. So you can see the courses that are available here for which you can get the batches. And then once you complete it and receive your batch or certificate, you can share it on your LinkedIn profile. And there are some frequently asked questions. So let me show you that. So in this frequently asked questions page, I would like to show you one thing. So if you scroll down, you can see here a question, how do I get my statement of participation? They have given how you should get your certificate once you complete the course. And I would like to highlight few things here. So you will have to wait for 24 hours at least to get the certificate once you complete the course content. And then once you receive your certificate, you will be notified via mail, and you will also see that in your My OpenLearn profile, that is in your profile in the achievement section. You can see that what are the courses that you have completed and what are the certificates that you have received from the Open University. So once you get the certificate, you can start sharing it on your LinkedIn profile or on your resume. So this is the content for this video. Open University is offering more than 1,000 free courses across different categories in OpenLearn platform. And these are the subjects that you can learn in OpenLearn: health, sports and psychology, education and development, history and arts. Language courses are also available, money and business courses, nature and environment, science, maths and technology, and society, politics and law. So these are the subjects that you can learn, and once you complete the course, you can also download your free statement of participation certificate from the Open University. So I hope you like this video. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.